In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chats on Telegram. We'll walk through exporting a single chat for easy reading or archiving. And then we'll cover how to export your entire account data from the Telegram desktop app. I'll keep it clear and simple so you know exactly what to click and what each option means. First, let's export a single chat. Open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Then open the specific conversation you want to save. This can be a personal chat, a group, or a channel. In the top right corner of that chat window, click the three dots to open more options and choose Export Chat History. You'll see a panel where you can customize what gets included. If you want a complete snapshot, enable media like photos, videos, voice messages, and GIFs. If you are aiming for a lightweight export, turn off large media or lower the file size limit, so the export finishes faster and uses less storage. Next, choose the format. Pick HTML if you want something you can open in a browser and scroll through like a web page, great for reading and sharing. Choose JSON if you plan to process the data or back it up in a structured way for analysis or importing into other tools. When your settings look right, click Export. Telegram will prepare the files based on your choices, and the time it takes will depend on the size of the chat and the amount of media. Now, if you want a broader archive, you can export your entire account data. In the Telegram desktop app, go to Settings, then Advanced. Click Export Telegram Data. Here you can decide exactly what to include: your account information, personal chats, bots, and groups. Choose only what you need to keep the export focused, or select more if you want a thorough record. When you are set, click Export. Telegram gathers the selected data and creates the export for you. Larger selections with media will naturally take longer to compile, so it's normal to wait a bit while it processes. Keep the app open during this time so everything completes smoothly. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.